Hi, this month's Century 21 flavor of the home is taco twists. I like this recipe because my family likes spicy and hearty and easy to make foods. It's usually ingredients that I've got around the house, don't have to make a special trip to the grocery store. The recipe for this includes ground beef, onion, shredded cheese, salsa, green chilies, salt, cumin, crescent rolls, and then there's things you can add to it if you want to. Lettuce, olives, tomatoes, and jalapeno peppers. You just put the ingredients on the stove, mix it up, put it into crescent rolls, fold them up, put them in the oven. About 20-25 minutes later, they're ready. Mine are not as pretty as the picture on the recipe card, but they still taste awfully good. And my family gets excited when they hear that I'm gonna make them for supper. Enjoy.